Hello, everybody. I'm Dominique Poliquen. I'm French. I'm CEO of a company called Cintoo. Cintoo is a company based out of the US and in France. Software development is done in France. Sales and marketing is done from the US mostly. Cintoo is at the convergence of reality capture and digital twins. What we develop is a SaaS platform to handle all kinds of reality capture data, being laser scans, being drone data. And we make this as built conditions live available for all kinds of digital twin and BIM workflows. So Cintoo is really as a convergence of reality capture data and on digital twins. We strongly believe that in order to get a good digital twin, you need to know your existing conditions. So reality capture is a way to get these existing conditions and to get the foundations for your digital twin. The way we handle that is that people would use laser scanning or drone scanning to get the existing conditions. Usually it comes as a point cloud, which is not very easy to use or not very easy to share and collaborate with. So what we do, we turn those point cloud into high resolution 3D meshes that you can view on stream in a simple web browser. So we make reality capture much easier to view and interpret and be ready for these digital twin workflows. So Cintoo serves about 400 corporations worldwide in 32 countries. A big percentage of that is in the US or in North America, generally speaking. We serve primarily two big industries. First one is BIM and construction. What we call a digital twin here would be more like a BIM model. Companies like general contractors, which are building big buildings, they always scan, their building during the construction process, or they eventually scan their building before the renovation process. And this is a kind of data this is a kind of use case that we have to that we're dealing with in this industry. The goal will be mostly to compare what has been built to the design intent, which is a BIM model, and detect issues in order to stay on budget and to stay on time with your construction phase. In the other big industry we serve, it's so-called Industry 4. We call it Industry 4.0. These are the automobile manufacturers. These are the oil and gas industries, the energy distribution industries. They all use laser scanning already to create their digital twin. So what we do, we help them, handle this kind of very heavy and large data sets. We help them, compare again the existing conditions of their digital twins. And now we also help them manage their assets, to manage all their equipment they have in those factories or plants. We have a unique AI engine that will be able to detect those equipment in the laser scans, and that will be able to connect those equipment in the existing conditions to the digital twin platform or the documentation platform. So there are various use cases depending on which industry we serve. I have been in 3D computer graphics for so many years, on reality capture for about 25 years now. And I see these two worlds converging very fast. Working with a digital twin is like working in a video game. So everything you do is really interesting because you see is what you get. And also it's a very, you really create fun experiences. So navigating your space when you know that this space is the exact virtual replica of the existing space is amazing as an experience. This is a fun space to work with. And also adding another layer now, which thanks to everything we call metaverse. So being able to interactively move in this space, interact with the objects, interact with the equipment, run some simulations, run some collaborative scenarios with other people visiting the same site at the same time is really amazing. What we have seen with the COVID times is that with our technology, we bring the site virtually to anywhere at any time, at any place. Okay, so people don't need to travel so much anymore. They don't need to travel to visit their facility or to do some design in a new, some engineering design, for example, in a new space. They can do all of this remotely from their computer. And this is the experience we bring. So definitely bringing the existing conditions for any industrial site into anybody's space, anybody's hands, experts or non-experts, is what is driven what is driving me, I'll say, on the whole team at Cintoo every day. We help customers move to the digital twin process by engaging in their digital twin transformation. They all know that they have to go after some kind of digital twin workflow. Some of them, they already engage with laser scanning, so they know how to get the existing conditions. Some of them have not yet started, so we help them make the right decisions in order to do that. The goal is really to feed their digital twin strategy with the exact as-built conditions, so that they can make the right decisions. When they have a good digital twin, they can do the right simulations, they can do the right teleoperations, they can do the right training and things like that. But all this relies on the fact that their digital twin is the exact copy of their existing conditions, which is not the case in many cases. So what we help them is to help them understand the value of reality capture, the value of laser scanning, so that they can bring the existing conditions in their digital twin strategy.